The institute is using Chat GPT and other AI tools to design your question paper. My dear CA inter students and CA final students, wake up call for all of you. Institute is using complete AI tools. And of course, somebody is verifying those questions which are completely designed using Chat GPT. Sir, immediately you'll have a mind. So what is the base? On what basis you are telling this? Very simple. Look at the past 6 or 7 attempts of question papers, especially from when MCQs has been started. Look at how MCQs are being framed. So like realistic case scenarios, they're all. I think be it FR, financial reporting, or AFM, or audit, or DT, or IDT, or even CA Inter, strategic management, audit, or law, whatever subject, accounting you take, MCQs, they are completely Chat GPT driven. Don't worry, I will prove it right now. In live, I will design FR related question which I don't know at all. I have not gone through FR syllabus at all. I'm not so good in FR also. First of all, I only know basic terminology about financial reporting framework, all that. I am not at all good at FR. Index and all, I hardly know anything. But using ChatGPT in live, I will design before 2 MCQ case study questions. I'll design before you right now. Watch till the end of this video. You will only understand, because no, I get this question from many students. Sir, MCQs, no, from where we should practice? I am telling you, my dear, no matter how many MCQs you are going to practice, it doesn't matter. You will get a new MCQ altogether that you never practiced earlier. The challenge, I will bet, I will challenge, you have never practiced earlier such a kind of MCQ. The only thing that is required for you to become conceptually strong, the only thing is required is you have to be conceptually strong so that you can answer MCQs and case scenario questions which are being asked by ICAI by using AI tools. Fine. You know, for my reference, I copy pasted FR related one, topic is there in FR. This is some topic which I copy pasted from ICAI book. There is a topic in FR, mergers, acquisitions and all. By the way, CA students also you watch. Audit related questions I'm taking. Don't worry. Whether it is FR or audit doesn't matter. The concept is same. So you see here, this is FR related topic. This is FR, some financial restructuring related topic, FR. Okay. This is some financial restructuring related topic. I will right now, open Chat GPT. Actually, in class, no, I actually use Chat GPT in CA final audit session as well as CA inter audit session. I use Chat GPT also and show in the through Chat GPT in the class live. I show how MCQs can be. Now, so I will paste the command. Okay, I will paste the command. So now you see, I will ask it. Sorry. Okay, I will put a question. Design a case scenario. Design a case scenario of 40 lines. 40 lines with the 5 MCQs. I just copied from ICAI book the matter, financial restructuring related some matter, and pasted it, and I'm giving it prompt. Design a case scenario of 40 lines with 5 MCQs with the 4 options each. 4 options each. Level must be hard. Level must be hard. Level must be hard, or I will give something a super hard. Super hard. And I'll give context also. Context is, for example, I want to test my CA final FR students where each MCQ will have 2 marks weightage. Each MCQ will have 2 marks weightage. If I give the context correctly, it will think and design correctly the context. You see now the case scenario which they're doing it. Chat GPT in live. There is a company called Alpha Limited, financial restructuring case. Alpha Limited is a listed entity in manufacturing sector, has an experience in so and so, paid up capital, some details again. The management of Alpha Limited has decided to implement a financial restructuring plan approved by court and stakeholders. Some reduction in capital, revaluation of fixed assets, all that. The restructuring resulted in fresh balance sheet, which shows a positive net worth and improved liquidity. Post restructuring, what is the new paid up capital? How much will be the accumulated losses were written off using capital reduction account? What is the amount of 5% debentures issued? What is the net worth of Alpha Limited? After restructuring, what percentage of total secured creditors' claims were converted into equity? 5 MCQs with amounts it decided, it gave. Suppose I want one more MCQ. Okay, I can ask answers, it will give answers also. Getting it? So if I give prompt correctly, that will give a case scenario. Now, just to recollect, those of you who have already given financial reporting or accounting exams, those of you who have already given the exam, just to recollect your MCQ pattern, case study pattern. Is this similar to this or not? You take any concept from FR, any concept from AFM, paste it in ChatGPT and give a prompt like how I gave. Exact right context, exact font you give. It will give you question like this. Suppose I didn't like this question. I'll ask another case study, please. Okay. Another case study with questions, please. I'll ask another question. It will give me just a matter of minutes. Today, setting up ICAI MCQ paper is hardly minutes. Less than 1 hour to set all the 15 MCQs with beautiful, all that. You see, another question it came. Able to understand? Now, I will take quality control. In CA Inter Audit, no, we have quality control. In CA Final also, we have a chapter called quality control, where the weightage in CA Final and CA Inter, in both the cases, it is minimum 5 to 10 marks. So that topic I'm taking here. Elements of quality control, which is a raw data, which I copied from ICA book and then pasted here. Okay, I'm just pasting it here. I am just pasting it here. Yes, so I pasted it. So let me do one thing. I will copy the font which I give. I will copy the prompt. Design a case scenario. This I copied, right? Yes, yeah, just a minute. Yes, copy. So here I will paste. So I will paste it here. Whether it is CA Final or CA Inter, the question is going to be same. Yeah, pasted. Now it will give a case study. You see, now there is a system of case scenario, Sigma LLP, System of Quality Control Implementation. There is an LLP which is a mid-sized audit firm based in India, catering to various industries. The firm is undergoing comprehensive review and enhancement of system of quality to align with the SQC1 requirement. As a part of this initiative, the firm leadership, managing partner, oh my goodness, you see, for each and every element, what they are doing, they told you. What is the primary responsibility of managing partner under SQC1? Quality control framework, oversee day-to-day audit engagement, assume ultimate responsibility in the firm quality control, approve all the new client relationship, delegate. Option is B, assume ultimate responsibility for quality control. The independence breach involving audit manager would primarily require what? So they have given options. What action should Sigma LLP would have taken? Onboarding the manufacturing client. So conduct a risk assessment of the client, assign the client with experienced team, review only financial. Like onboarding, conduct a formal risk assessment. A. Point number A. Sigma LLP. So I hope you understood now. I'm not going into in-depth. Like this, on a particular concept, you can design easily 10 to 15 varieties of case study. This is what ICAI is exactly doing. By the way, I am only guessing what ICAI thinking, because the kind of questions, if you see MTP or even the suggested answers, like whatever the question papers are, November attempt or September attempt, May attempt or final, and if you see the question papers, if you see the MTPs and RTPs, the kind of case studies, it is impossible for any human being to design in such a way. That much patience won't be there. So definitely what ICAI will be doing, to best of my knowledge, I'm 99% sure they use ChatGPT, and also some subject matter expert would have been there who is designing the paper. Both he as well as ChatGPT, both will be integrated and they are designing question papers. That is why MCQ questions are always new. Even descriptive questions for that matter, they are giving descriptive questions also with a case-based format. So there is like, the answer is, sir, how many MCQs I should practice? Where and all I can practice? What source I can use? Zero. The answer is zero. Nothing. You need not practice MCQs. What is required is tremendous conceptual command on the subject. Whatever classes you are listening, pay strong attention to it. Read each and every concept thoroughly without missing any element. Have that commandable knowledge on the subject. I am telling you, my dear, any MCQ you can answer it. It's not how many you solve, it's how much command you have. That is what important. By the way, those of you writing CA Inter or CA Final May, I will come up with a specific strategy videos for May 2025. So tune to this YouTube channel. You will get more videos like this. I hope this itself, this live experiment, this live the experiment itself is enough for you to understand. Yes, the institute way of testing has changed. Traditional preparation methodologies will be outdated. They are already outdated. People are not realizing. Sir, short materials I want, sir. 100 pages, 200 pages material I will read. What happened in the November exam? You read the very short material. Whatever answers you're writing, they are not matching with the keywords given to the examiner. By the way, how ICAI is doing valuation also, I made a video recently and uploaded. ICAI valuation, see a Harsha. If you type this, you will get a YouTube video. Just look into it, you will understand. That's it. My side, Harsha. All the very best.